Let's try. So, today, we will try kung mabubuksan natin, kung may spark ulit na magaganap kay Geneva to consider her, to consider dating again.
Right.
So, let's start the search. Eto na si searching number 1.
Reveal.
Some people, I'm Eddie, and I'm your Superman ng Cebu.
Superman!
Cebu! Superman ng Cebu. Pero minsan, Supergirl din siya ng Bohol.
Superman pala
You didn't ride a plane? Just fly? From Cebu?
Yes.
Yeah. From Cebu to Manila, he just flew from there to here. And now, welcome to Showtime.
Eddie, wow!
Carabao.
Maganda rin yung height, matangkad din.
Oo.
So, Eddie, can you speak Tagalog?
Yeah, I speak Tagalog and Bisaya also.
Oy!
Okay. Kailan yung last relationship mo, Eddie?
2019.
Matagal
4
na
years?
din.
5 years? Ano ba kayo, 2024?
4.
5 years. 5 years.
5 years.
Okay. Iniwan ka, iniwan mo.
Complicated. It didn't work because LDR.
Pero friends pa rin kayo.
We are not talking until now to each other.
So hindi siya pwede mag-guest dito, kayo dito sa...
Sila yung next couple natin.
Sayang.
Bong, mamaya na yung scouting.
Sorry.
Hosting muna tayo.
Pasensya na, nadala kasi ako.
Huwag natin pinagsasabay yung hosting at scouting.
Sorry. Pasensya na. Meron ka bang pick-up line para kay Geneva?
Yes, meron ako like, hello Geneva. Geneva, do you like food?
Bakit?
I would love to cook. I would love to cook for you your favorite dishes until the rest of our lives.
Ano yung last part? I would like to cook for you your favorite dishes.
For the rest of my life.
For the rest of... Wala na ibang gagawin. Nagluto na lang na nagluto. Naku, ayaw ko lang yung jowa dahil magastos yan. Luto naman ang luto. Magastos na ng jowa.
Magkano sa gas?
Luto lang luto. Yung kahit ang dami pang natitira. Huy, kainin mo na natin na sende. Magluluto ako for the rest of my life.
Hanggang awa tayo.
Problema yun. Ano? Wala na tayong gas. Wala akong pakialam.
Do you cook ba?
Yes, I cook
What's your favorite recipe?
adobo, and I also like danggit, the fried
crispy
ones.
fish.
Fried
Right.
fish.
And I also
Fried
love
fish.
ampalaya and
With
mongo.
Ampalaya and
And
mongo.
mongo, yes.
Okay. Thanks to you. So here's searching number 2. Reveal.
What's up, Phantom people? Ako si Doc Al, ang public servant with a PhD ng Cavite.
Public
yabang.
servant with a PhD.
Apakayabang.
Oo, sinabi natin mga titulo. Okay. So ano pong posisyon nyo? Ano pong konsihal po ba kayo? Congressman, mayor, vice mayor, governor, bokal?
Hindi po yata pwedeng sabihin.
Pero sinabi mo na rin. Flinex mo na rin naman.
Public servant po.
Public servant.
Oo, kagawad.
Marami namang profession na public
Iba-iba.
service.
Kaya nga tinatanong ko yung posisyon. Basta public servant siya, may PhD siya.
PhD.
Ganyan. So, kailan po yung huling yung relasyon, sir?
It was 2012 pa. Sobrang
Tagal na.
Yes,
Uy.
sobrang tagal.
Bakit
ba't
ang
mo
tagal
ganun
mo
katagal,
bago
ho?
nagrelasyon ulit?
Well, kasi yung parents ko was hindi masyadong okay before and nakita ko na parang mahirap kung papasok ka agad sa isang relationship. So parang it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Parang,
It was sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Yes, it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along.
Oh, it's sad.
So wake up. Pangit.
So I'll live my life in a dream world for the rest of my life.
Belong to someone else when the lesson melody.
So I guess it's all that we will never be.
I could never leave you and listen all day long. You understand my feelings. You play my favorite song. 96.3 W Rock. Sakay na.
Someone else.
When the right
Oh,
one comes
dako. Oh, dako. Di ba ganyan mga radio station dati? Anyway, meron po ba kayong pick-up line para kay Geneva, sir?
Meron po. Geneva,
Hi.
malamok ba sa inyo?
Medyo. Bakit?
Baka kailangan mo ng katol. Katulad ko.
That's so good. That was good.
Aray!
Ang ganda nun.
Katol pala yan. Sindihan na yan!
Oh, no.
Sa buti sa kanila malamok lang, no? Sa atin malangaw.
Oh, malangaw eh.
Feeling ko mas pala mo kala Casey.
Bakit?
Parang ikamot ka.
Na-allergy ka na ba? Ano ba nangyayari sa'yo?
Makati.
Bata.
Ayan, thank
Pag
you,
humadya
Doc
mo, parang
Al.
dami nakalmot ni Wolverine dito. So, thank you. Cute yung katol.
Yes. Ito naman si Searchy number 3. Reveal.
Magandang people! Madlanging people!
Ulit.
Anong show ang gusto mong buuin?
Madlang people. Oh, take two.
Ako po si Sammy. Macho na, guwapo pa.
Hayaan nyo na siyempre.
Are you ready?
Medyo tuliro pa siya kasi siyempre ang hirap ng biyahe niya. Carpet ang sinakyan niya papunta dito.
Si Aladdin yan.
Sino kasama no?
Pakisabi nga, Sammy, can you say, mekus?
Ano po? I can't.
Joke lang. Nauso kasi mekus na. Anyway. Meron ka bang pick-up line? Sammy, where are you from, Sammy?
My father is Persian, my mom is Turkish.
Turkish and
Persian.
Persian.
Yes.
Oh, Persian. Buong ano yung Persian?
Una yan.
Lassie
Bakit
is also Persian.
Persian ano?
Hindi siya Persian ka.
Oh, hindi siya second.
Persian.
Ano yan, Ann?
Saan tayo? Doon ka magpa-build up sa partner mo. Hindi na, binibuild up ako ng partner ko, pinaprep ko dito. Persian. Okay. So, are you new in the Philippines?
Yeah, I'm a fitness trainer and a fitness model.
Fitness model. Nagpapakita ng paa.
Fitness!
Fitness model.
Fitness, yung fit.
Fitness model. How long have you been here in the Philippines?
I'm traveling then, so almost 2 years I decided to live in the Philippines. So, yeah.
Oh, you're traveling?
Yeah. Basketball player.
It's a violation.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so do you have any pick-up line for Geneva?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Oh, of course.
Hi, sweetheart.
Oh! Agad?
Yeah, God.
Agad?
Can I take you to the dinner tonight? Yeah.
Why?
Because I know fitness person. I'm the fitness guy. So I think I can make it fun tonight. Yeah, tonight. It's Saturday night, yeah?
Can you close the curtain? Can you close the curtain?
Wag! Ano ka ba? Bago pa lang siya sa Philippines eh.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yes.
That's
Thank you.
beautiful.
Salamat.
That was a pick-up line
Yes.
niya. Niliteral niya yung pick-up line.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's okay. That's beautiful.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
Yeah, may that be the last, okay? Don't do that again. Don't put
Sige.
yourself in trouble.
Sige.
Okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. So, Casey, anong reaction mo after mo makita tong tatlong guys?
si Casey.
Anong reaction mo? Parang napakamot si Casey. Bilang friends naman kay Geneva.
Oh, wow.
Sino yung matataypan dyan ni Geneva?
Sabihin ko?
Oo, pwede.
Kasi feeling ko si Eddie. Feeling ko si Eddie, type ni Geneva. Pero baka si Sammy din kasi.
Pero si Sammy,
May sense of humor eh, no?
feeling ko fun si Sammy. I think you're a fun person, Sammy.
Si Geneva din mahilig sa fitness. And Sammy is the fitness guy.
Yeah.
We all know that. He's the fitness guy. And but I also like Doc Al kasi feeling ko siya yung talagang full na Pinoy dyan sa 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
yeah.
naguguluhan din si Casey kung sinong
Oo.
ipupush niya sa'yo. So, ikaw na lang daw ang mag-decide. Kilalanin natin silang tatlo. May mga katanungang dyan nakareserba for them.
Okay,
First
question.
question.
Ano ba ang wife material para sa'yo?
Wife material for me is the loving person. Not only loves herself, but she also loves the people around her. And also, I like her to teach her kids good values like respect, kindness, and to be good to the people around them. Because when the kids grow up, they can be a good example of her. I also like her to pursue her dreams. I want her to keep chasing what she really likes in life. And lastly, I would like her to keep expressing her feelings to me so we can solve problems together, or if she has something she wants to ask advice from, I'll be there to support her.
Konti.
Sa madaling salita,
Galing.
Ano sa madaling salita?
Ano ba sabi?
madami siyang gusto. Sa isang asawa. Ganun. Di ba magaganda yung mga... Demanding siya. Di ba magaganda yung mga... Yung kanyang pagdi-describe sa kung ano yung kanyang mapapang-asawa.
Hindi naman talaga dapat.
Ganda. Ganda.
Yes.
Doc Al,
I strongly agree. I believe that a wife material is someone who knows what she wants and can decide on it and would pursue it. Kasi I believe that yung tao na yon would pass that trait to her children or to our children. And at the same time, I want my children to grow na gusto nila, alam nila kung ano yung gusto nila and alam nila kung paano i-pursue yung gusto nila. And I think makikita mo lang yun or mapapakita lang yun if we show it by example. So I want my wife to be that person.
what if yung pursuing kung ano ang gusto nila will mean leaving the family?
It's fine. It would teach our children to be independent, and at the same time, it would teach them to love their mother or their the one that would go away. Na mahalin pa rin sila kahit na iba yung gusto nila. Tanggapin kung ano yung kagustuhan ng taong mahal nila. At the end of the day, if you really love someone, you are willing to accept kung ano man yung gusto niyang gawin sa buhay.
Ganda din.
Thank you.
Ganda rin, oh.
Sammy?
Actually, my friend is right. I'm agree with
Magkaibigan
them.
pala sila.
Eddie, sir.
Pustahan pa yata ito magtropang to.
Actually, I'm agree with them. Then, so yeah, have to be take care of our future and our child, and yeah, that's it.
Man of few words.
Oo.
Yeah. How many girlfriends did you have?
I'm single, ready for mingle. Yeah,
Like, you never had any girlfriend?
yeah, I had a few. Yeah.
How many?
Regrets. I had a few, but I didn't mention. I said, I say it clear. I state my case to a attention. Okay. So, Geneva, base sa mga sagot nila, isa dyan bibigyan mo ng green flag. Sino yun? At bakit?
Number 1.
Why?
Parang meron siyang prinsipyo at saka maganda yung values niya sa buhay. Based sa mga sinabi niya.
Okay. Congratulations, Eddie. Meron ka ng isang green flag. May chance pa naman Doc Al and Sammy. Ay, okay ka ba doon, Casey, sa kanyang desisyon? Support mo naman yung choice sa Geneva?
Oo naman, oo. Close tie kay Sammy, pero sige, si Eddie.
At
Para magiging best friend.
pinupush niya pa rin si Sammy eh. May
Para
ano
gusto
siya
mo
Sammy.
maging best friend, no?
Si Sammy?
Oo,
Best friend
pa.
si Sammy. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, Sammy, you've had a lot of girlfriends, no?
Looks like that, but no. I'm single almost 3 years.
Oh, looks like. Akala ko looks like that.
But I'm
Pero
single.
have you ever had anak ng Pasig?
No.
That's cute.
Yeah. Anak ng Pasig naman kayo. Tapon doon, tapon dito. Ano bang susunod doon? Ganon. So, may green flag si Eddie. Ano ang next question ni
Next
Geneva?
question is, maghihintay ka bang dumating ang forever or hahanapin mo na lang ito?
I prefer to wait for the right person because I always believe that God will give me the right person at the right time, and I know that person is worth the wait.
Ganda.
It's worth the wet. Kaya kailangan basain mo pag nakita mo siya.
Wait.
Ito ako pinabasa because it's worth the wet.
Wait. It's worth the wait.
Doc Al.
Again, I strongly agree. Hindi. I think parang there should be balance with it. Like, you need to wait for the right person. Just like what I said kanina na malungkot naman kung meron ka ng partner if the right one comes along. Pero hindi naman na tayo bumabata eh. And at the same time, if you've waited long enough and you think na parang ready ka na to pursue, like, why not? Diba? So I think there should be balance.
Okay. Sammy?
They said already. I don't know what should I say. Yeah, the right person is coming.
Okay, don't worry. On the third question, you're first to answer, okay?
Later.
Yeah, thanks. It's a nice idea. I appreciate it.
Are you going to wait for destiny to give you your love or look for it wherever you are?
Look for it.
Look for it.
Yeah.
You will look for it. You will search for love.
Yeah, exactly.
How do you do it?
Maybe online?
Why not? Di ba prangkahan naman? Online. What's your...
I'm shy person, then so
Okay.
I prefer to be online.
What platform do you use?
IG?
IG. Oh.
IG Zeras.
DM.
Okay, so thank you, Sammy.
You're welcome.
Geneva. Yes. Kanina mo ibibigay ang pangalawang green flag?
Two.
Ay, kay Doc Al. Bakit? Ba't hindi kay 3? Charot!
Parang bilis ni three? Hindi. Two kasi, wala lang. Parang it makes sense what he said.
Oo.
Parang,
Natatakot ka sa bilis ni Sammy. Agresibo eh, no?
parang mga 10 babae, kaya na hindi. Sabay-sabay.
Fitness pero
Okay. So, congrats, Doc Al. Meron ka na rin green flag. Meron pang isang katanungan. Geneva, ano ito?
Ito baka mabigay ko na kay 3. Sige na nga. May edad ba sa paghinto ng paghahanap ng pag-ibig?
May edad ba sa paghinto ng paghahanap ng pag-ibig? Or meron bang certain age na masasabi mong, tama na. Ang
ayaw
tanda
ka na.
mo na
Suko
para
na.
dyan. Suko na.
Is there an age limit for finding love?
Yeah. Yung paniniwala mo na may darating pa. Di ba? May edad bang isinusuko na yun? Yung paniniwalang may darating pa. Eddie.
I believe that love doesn't know any age or circumstances. So I always tell people that do not give up, because if you always believe and you have faith that the right person will come to you at the right time, God will just send it to you. Just enjoy the experience, grow from it, and let it make you a better person.
Tara. Thank you so much, Mr. International. 2023.
Ganun siya magtanong. Galing sumagot eh.
Doc Al.
I strongly... Hindi. I mean, may point din naman siya, pero idadagdag ko lang na growing together, no, you should... naniniwala din ako na walang age limit ang pagmamahal. It's an innate thing that we have as human beings to feel, to love, and it doesn't... whether... ay hindi siya nagbabago hanggang sa tumanda o hanggang sa tumanda. I mean, and I believe na kapag naramdaman mo yon, hindi siya nababase sa edad. Nababase siya sa puso tsaka sa kung ano yung nararamdaman mo sa loob mo.
Okay.
Sammy, we have a...
Sammy?
To be honest, age is
Ang ganda. That's very beautiful. I like that.
Bueno pa lang siya.
Galing ni Sammy.
Yeah, age is only number. Then so what doesn't matter if I'm younger, you're older. Then so we have to just respect each other in the relationship.
Very well said, Sammy.
Sammy, Mr. Intercontinental 2024. So, Geneva, kanina ba ibibigay ang iyong third green flag?
Nakaisa si Sammy doon.
Oh! Kay Sammy? Bakit kay Sammy?
Maganda yung sinabi niya na love doesn't have any age, diba?
Tama naman.
Young, old,
Correct.
pwede kang magmahal, diba?
So lahat sila may green flag. So dahil pare-parehong may green flag, walang umangat. Kaya kakailanganan na natin ang tulong ng ex mo na si Casey. Tapos titignan natin kung may bearing sa'yo yung sasabihin niya o ikaw pa rin ang magde-decide. Casey, sa kanilang tatlo, sino ang gusto mong i-push na makadate ni Geneva? Sabi ni Geneva, si Raulo yan, ipapahamak ako niya.
Wala tiwala.
Bakit wala kang tiwala kay Casey?
Alam mo kasi Sammy talaga, ano,
Fitness
kasi
guy.
feeling ko si Sammy talaga, siya yung pinaka-fun dyan sa lahat ng contestants. No? Matanda ka na, pero sabi ni Sammy, at na-agree ka, age knows no numbers.
Yeah.
Diba? Love. What did she say? Basta. Age is just a number. So for me, gagawin ko ba? Hindi, so totoo lang. For me, si Eddie. Si Eddie para sa akin. Kasi, I think si Geneva would like his look, tapos matangkad siya.
Kaya daw mag-heels ni Sammy.
Pareho tayong balbon. Tapos maganda yung mga answers niya. So at parang same yung experience niya. So long distance relationship, tapos mga 2017 last relationship mo. So parang 2019. So parang same kayo ni Geneva. Sammy, bro. Sir. meron akong kaibigan para sa iyo.
Nirereto.
Ang pangalan niya ay MC.
Ando lang siya.
Paano yung palagi sa MC? Ang dami! Isa pa nga! Ang dami! Okay, so Geneva, narinig natin yung sinabi ni Casey. Ikaw, may bearing ba sa'yo yung sinasabi ng iyong ex o may iba kang pinipili?
I know that he wants what's best or who's best for me. Binawi naman niya.